everyone, it's Mrs. McDonald. I'm going to show you how to use FlipGrid. We'll be using this for writing class and sometimes our small group. So here we go. I will either put the FlipGrid link into our Class Connect that day, or I'll send it to you through email. Once you get that FlipGrid link, you're going to see a page that looks like this. And it's locked, so no outsiders can get in. You are going to choose Login with Microsoft because all OHVA students have an Outlook email address, and that is what you're going to use. So click that. Mine automatically pops up because I'm signed in on the computer. Yours may do that. I'm not 100% sure. So there we go. I'm going to sign in. And here it is. Here's my writing class FlipGrid. So you're going to scroll down, and first up we have the topic name writing. This was our writing week 1. This is what I asked you to do. So here it says record a video sharing your first name, and here I link the Zaner Blosser website, which is the paper that I asked you to print out. Okay, and then you're just going to go down here and click this plus sign. And if it asks you to use your camera, then allow it. And then it's pretty self-explanatory after that. It's not going to show up because I'm actually using my webcam right now. But once you hit that plus sign, it's pretty self-explanatory. You'll get to use the webcam on your kiddo's computer and just take a real quick video. Show their work. That's all we're asking to see because we know it's so much easier to write with a pencil and a piece of paper. You know it too. Okay? Alright, so that's your quick little tip on FlipGrid. I hope you like it. Thanks.